Hello, today in this video we will see how to download Parents Mobile app and make use of it. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for the Top School Parent app and download the Top School Parent app in your phone. Mine, it's already downloaded, so you need to download it first and then open it. After opening the app, select your school's name. And then enter the registered mobile number to get the OTP. If your number is not registered with the school, you won't get the OTP. So first make sure your number is registered with the school. Second option here we have to is login with the username. Your school will provide you the username and password. So enter the username provided by your school. Make sure you enter the correct username. Username will be mostly with name hyphen surname and might be some 1 or 2 digits. And the password will be mostly 123 pass. Login with login with this username and password. After logging into the app, you will see the window which will ask for your parents' email ID. If you enter your parents' email ID, your parents will get notified at that email address also. Then you will see the different kinds of modules present in the app. That is notification, learn, document repository and all. In notification tab, you will receive the notification sent by your school in this manner. Next comes in profile, you will see user avatar picture. You can upload the picture of a student or their parents from here and submit it. This data will remain with the school as well. So in this way, you can log in and use your app. So when you go out and next time when you want to use the app, you just need to tap or click on the Top School app icon and click on your name to use it. You won't have to insert the username and password again. In this way, you can use the app. And the second most beneficial thing about this app is you can download the same app into multiple mobiles and use it with the same username and password. Like the other phones, other apps, you get the notification on your screen. This app, you will get the notification of this app as well. In this way, you can use the app. Now, if you want to log in through the web, you can log in to open the web URL of your school, which will be provided by the school. You can use this web URL into the Google Chrome also to use it on the laptop. You will see the login window. Use the same credentials as you have used it for the app. And login. In this manner, you will be able to log in your web also. This is the desktop view. This is how the desktop view will look like. All the modules present in the app will be available here at the top. In this way, we have explained how to use the app as well as how to access it through web URL also. I would request all the parents to download it and make the maximum use of it to get the benefit. Thank you.